Hello and welcome to my presentation. I am Tarun Chalmalla. I am a recent computer science graduate with passion for gaming. I'm really excited to introduce you to an incredible hackathon project called GamerPal. Having spent countless hours immersed in world of gaming, I really understand the problems faced by the gamers while when it comes to finding a reliable and compatible teammate. That's why I'm really particularly excited about GamerPal and its potential to revolutionize the way the gamers connect and collaborate. This entire project is developed on main stack and it is also an single page application. Here is the registration page and this is how it looks as of now. So here I have implemented the JWT token authentication which adds an extra layer in terms of security. Here you will get your potential teammates in form of cards where you get to choose to connect with your potential teammate. After connecting with the gamer, this is how the chat interface looks. The main challenge of this chat is the chat doesn't know whether the database is updated or not. To get those emits, we need something in between server and the chat front end. So I have implemented a socket in between those server and the front end to get the DB updates. That's how the chat is implemented here. Here you can edit your profile as per your preferences. You can also select your banner which shows in the cards in the previous dashboard section. Here's the reaction time test component where you can test your reaction time. Based on the reaction time, you would get a compatible teammate. Throughout the hackathon, I have been trying to build what I visualized. I think I'm getting there. And yeah, it's been a learning experience. Thanks, you guys. Thank you guys. That's all from my side. Yeah, you can connect me with the QR code.